LairMetrics makes integrated optical monitoring systems for metal printing. Metal printing is a volatile process. You have high-power laser melting small powders, forming thin layers. Some examples of metal printing are medical implants such as knee replacements, hip joints, also mission-critical components for aircrafts, heat exchangers for the energy.
The problem with the metal printing industry is that you need to sometimes print 5 to 10 of the object that you want before you get one good one. So yield rates are really low.
Currently, each build parameter needs its own scientific instrument. This solution is data-heavy and fragmented.
Talking to the industry and listening to what they need, they wanted all of this data collected together on a single instrument.
Our system is inline, real-time, synchronized data, compact data set.
Not only can you see if something went wrong, you can see what went wrong and why it went wrong. That enables corrective action. You can intervene during the process.
It's a game changer in manufacturing that's not being fully exploited. Luminate is an accelerator very different to many other accelerators. They offer you help and support and guidance on growing your business.
Everything from dealing with human resource issues, to planning out your finances, to accessing your customers. We've had great help on pitch development.
The curriculum that Luminate have scheduled provides you with resources that are critical for any startup company. Metal printing manufacturing with our adaptive closed-loop control processing, enabling all the information. It will accelerate market growth and increase market adoption.
Which is really critical for advancing the metal printing industry.